Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, a groundbreaking program. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. And folks, you can also check out Crypto Growth's other partner, an exchange, MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below as well for the latest discounts, fees, rebates, bonuses, lowest fees, and the best possible benefits. So do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with the Flare network in real time. I found a really interesting post over here for you guys. Look at this. Flare Networks and Red Date Technology are launching a groundbreaking pilot program to test stablecoin buying for Chinese nationals in Hong Kong. This move could be a game changer for adoption in the region. But why now? Let's dive in. So let's look at what we have here. November 12th. What's happening? Flare Networks, a Layer 1 blockchain, is partnering with Red Date Technology, a key player in China's blockchain ecosystem, to enable Chinese nationals in Hong Kong to buy stablecoins. This trial is focused on ensuring compliance with local regulations. Guys, the regulatory projects that are focusing on legality of stuff, regulations, local rules, they have to abide by the law, so to maneuver, to function, and Flare Network to provide use cases in various regions. It needs to abide by that law, by those law, and they are trying to do that. Stablecoins play a key role here. They provide stability in value while leveraging blockchain for faster and cheaper cross border payments. It is a bridge between traditional finance and digital currency systems. So, basically, a bridge and the best of both worlds, trying to connect it. By the way, Hong Kong is becoming this crypto friendly area as well. So, this is also good for Flare as well. Yeah, look at this. Why Hong Kong? Hong Kong has emerged as a crypto friendly hub in Asia, especially after China's crackdown on crypto with its progressive regulatory stance. Hong Kong offers a unique sandbox for testing innovations while staying within legal frameworks. For China, the trial could be a way to observe how stablecoins can interact with its digital yuan. So, yeah, China is a powerhouse in the globe, and its integration of digital assets is, in my opinion, important. And this also gives them a unique opportunity to observe what a CBDC can do for the yuan and the central banks as well in a controlled environment. I think it is a bit ironic. People say that CBDCs are here to control everything, but China is basically avoiding it. Although I think that they will be interesting in a controlled money of controlled medium of exchange, but it is a bit ironic in my opinion. Anyways, it might even inform broader policy decisions on digital currency adoption. The real question: what comes next? If this trial proves successful, it could lead to a broader adoption of stablecoins and blockchain tech in cross border trade and potentially shape how China's digital yuan evolves. One thing is clear: with governments, blockchain companies, and projects working together, the future of digital finance is getting more interconnected. This is true. Various governments, various projects, various blockchain companies are coming together to provide various solutions. And I saw a video over here from Mr. Hugo Fillion as well, Flare co-founder, why decentralized data is vital for blockchains. This is a bit long, 17 minutes, so you can watch this yourselves. We're going to be just looking at a portion of it to see what's happening. Current and future use cases of blockchains require vast amounts of data. Flare co-founder and CEO of Flare Labs, Hugo Fillion, tells Decrypt. He argues that traditional oracles fall short, and what is needed is a fully decentralized solution, and which is the Flare ecosystem, according to him, to realize the future value of the industry. Let's see what he has to offer.
Is Stephen Graves from Decrypt.
Yeah, just
data. So being able
randomly hear him out for a few minutes
to see what is being able to bring onto Flare what has happened on Ethereum, on XRP, on Bitcoin, and Web3 data, being able to essentially, with a bit more safety, prove something from an API.
So diving into the Flare time series oracle, can you go into a little more detail on the mechanics of how that works?
Yeah, absolutely. There's two feeds within the FTSO. The first is what we call anchor prices. And this is every 90 seconds where all of the validators come together, submit their prices, and we find a weighted median weighted by stake. And then in between those prices, although consistent, is what we call the block latency feeds. Block latency feeds are a really interesting way to get updated data every single block for every single price, and we can handle 1,000 prices currently. And the way they work is they randomly select through cryptographic sortition one of the infrastructure providers per block, one or more depending on whether there are incentives, additional incentives given for to add additional volatility to the series, and each selected provider can add what's known as a delta to the last price. And the delta is fixed, so they can go up, down, or flat. Although it sounds incredibly limiting, if you actually look at the prices relative to, say Binance or a combination of the feeds, we've managed to achieve with very, very low, compute requirements, an immensely accurate set of price feeds, and that's a really nice protocol.
So one of the methods that's used to, secure oracles conventionally is restaking. So why is enshrining a preferred solution over restaking oracles? Firstly, can you explain what they are? And secondly, what sort of purpose can they serve in Web3?
Absolutely. So just set the scene. You probably use a trusted execution environment every day when you look at your phone, and it automatically opens through Face ID. So trusted execution environment is a secure enclave within a modern CPU. They are trustless, tamper-proof, and confidential. So they allow you to basically process information without anyone being able to see within it. Trusted execution environments are between 1,000 and 10,000 times cheaper than zero knowledge computation. So they offer a particularly interesting hardware secured way to be able to do more interesting things with blockchain. And why do you need to do that? Well, to give you an example, if you wanted to store a gigabyte of data on Solana, it's going to cost you 10 million. And on Ethereum, about 60 million. That's just far too high. But yet, pretty much everyone in the world today is used to Web 2 apps. Instagram, Facebook, eBay. All of the things. Twitter, X. We all use these apps all day, every day. They're processing vast amounts of data. Crypto can't compete, but we would like to be able to offer high quality data rich.
Anyways, guys, you can watch the whole thing yourselves. In my opinion, Flare is taking decentralization seriously, and with these partnerships and trying to launch groundbreaking programs in various countries, and especially in places which is digital asset friendly like Hong Kong. These are really great initiatives by Flare. What do you guys think about these groundbreaking programs by Flare? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.